In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Excel data into PowerPoint slides. If you've ever needed to present numbers, tables, or charts that already live in an Excel workbook, the fastest way to keep everything consistent is to bring that file directly into PowerPoint. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your Excel content placed on a slide, and if you choose, set up to stay in sync whenever the spreadsheet changes. Start by opening your PowerPoint deck and navigating to the slide where you want the Excel content to appear. Go to the Insert tab along the top ribbon. This is where PowerPoint gathers tools for adding items like images, charts, and, in our case, embedded files. Next, select Object. This command tells PowerPoint you'd like to place another file inside your slide. It's different from copying and pasting a range, because an object keeps the file packaged together and can optionally stay connected to the original source. In the dialog that opens, choose Create from File. Instead of creating a blank object, this option pulls in an existing file, perfect for when your spreadsheet already contains the data and formatting you want to present. Now click Browse. A file picker will open so you can locate your Excel workbook. Navigate to the folder where it's stored. It's a good idea to confirm you're selecting the correct version of the file, especially if you work with multiple drafts or similarly named spreadsheets. Select the Excel file and confirm your choice. At this point, PowerPoint knows which workbook to use. If your Excel file is large or contains multiple sheets, don't worry. You can still interact with it on the slide after it's inserted. Before placing it, click Link. Turning on Link keeps your slide connected to the original Excel file, so updates made in the spreadsheet can flow through to your presentation. This is ideal for reports or dashboards that change over time. If you ever need a fixed snapshot instead, you would leave this unchecked, but for this workflow, we're enabling it to keep things current. Finally, click OK. PowerPoint will place the Excel object onto your slide. You'll see it appear, ready to position and size like any other item in your presentation. From here, you can align it with your layout and proceed with your deck as usual. A quick tip as you wrap up: save both your presentation and the Excel workbook, and keep the linked file in a consistent location so PowerPoint can always find it. That's all it takes to convert Excel data into PowerPoint slides while keeping your content accurate and up to date.